Hello, I'm Nan Simonsen. I'm a nationally board certified health and wellness coach. I'm on sort of a cooking jag right now. I just did a video on a mushroom gravy that uses dried mushrooms. Look for that. That will be a recipe of Ella, a vegan, and you've seen her, I'm sure, on YouTube and all over the place, and that will be labeled with her information, and you'll be able to see me do it. Well, now I'm doing a tender roasted cabbage. We're going to have the mushroom gravy. We're going to have southern fried soy curls from Kathy Hester's recipe. You can look for that, Kathy Hester. Southern fried soy curls. Doesn't that sound good with mushroom gravy? And then roasted cabbage that simply goes in the oven and cooks for 35 minutes and will give me these succulent wedges with lots and lots of flavor and nutrition. This is a cruciferous vegetable. That's one of your most healthy of vegetables. The recipe calls for the entire cabbage. This is huge. I'm not going to do that. And so I'm just going to cut it into wedges, about 1-inch wedges, that I'm going to lay out on this tray. Let me move you over, move me over. And although this recipe calls for oil, 2 tablespoons of oil on these, instead I used aquafaba. When I make chickpeas, I just did 3 pounds to then freeze. I've already made the hummus out of some of those frozen chickpeas. This is a rather thick one, but that's okay. I keep the aquafaba, put it into silicone ice cube trays by Trivoli, and those hold 2 tablespoons, and so it's really handy to have 2 tablespoons of aquafaba around. And the recipe calls for a couple tablespoons of oil. I thought I'd use the aquafaba instead. We're going to eat all of this. It saves 240 calories. I don't count calories, but I do pay attention to wasted calories. Who needs that if you can have a great meal without that? Okay. And the flavor will be terrific. We're using za'atar. Have you ever used za'atar? Let me walk away and get this bottle to show you. Z-A-A-T-A-R. And I have organic from, who's making this? Spicely Organics. But za'atar is a combination of a number of spices and herbs, and it's I don't know if it's Middle Eastern or South African. I can't read it. Oh, sesame seeds, sumac, and sumac has about a bit of a lemony flavor, thyme, and marjoram, which is in the oregano family. Just a nice, well, flavor. And I couldn't find my my brush. Don't know why. So I'm just going to spread this mixture. Well, it's actually the aquafaba instead of oil on these to add moisture. Set the oven at 375. This one I will use at another time in another way. And then I'm simply sprinkling over some salt, pepper, za'atar, here we go, and some garlic powder. And that will be it. So we have cabbage steaks tonight, southern fried chicken made of soy curls, and a mushroom gravy. Doesn't that sound like a good meal? Whole food, plant-based. I wrote 5 years ago, Aging Powerfully, when I was about to turn 70, because I'd been with a lifestyle medical practice and saw how a whole food, plant-based diet could heal people. just a couple of weeks ago, and I just turned 75 to celebrate turning 75 or aging powerfully. The journey continues with lessons I've learned in these 5 years that even back up further. These decisions that I made 8 years ago to be plant-based, and my husband went along with me, and both of us have the labs of somebody far, far younger than we are. Okay, look how pretty. I'll bring it out, show it to you later. Also, look how pretty my oven is. It's a lapis colored enamel, and it's beautiful. Why? Because I don't cook greasy meats in it. I just put an oven thermometer so that I could test it. Yeah, it's actually exactly accurate. I was thinking it didn't heat well enough, but set it at 375 and it's right there at 375. Now I know. Okay, I will show you photos of the finished cabbage if I don't come back and finish the video, because just before the meal is being served, it tends to be too busy. But I will have photos at the end showing you the cabbage. I hope you enjoyed this. Have a great day. I know I'm going to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I hope you enjoy this in your own home. Bye-bye. Oh.